This is the exact moment a simple farm vegetable transforms into a global snack obsession. I'm taking you where few cameras have ever gone to witness the precise, high-stakes engineering behind your favorite crispy indulgence. But the secret to that perfect crunch isn't what you think. It's locked in a battle that begins before this potato is even harvested. From dirt to delicious, the journey is a symphony of pressure, heat, and timing. We start at the source, vast fields where only specific potatoes with the perfect sugar-to-starch ratio are chosen. Why does the variety matter so much? Because one wrong choice here and the entire batch could burn or turn limp. The first wash is a violent baptism, scrubbing off not just soil, but the potato's very identity. Now the peeling. Watch as these abrasive rollers strip away the skin in seconds, a process that must be aggressive yet gentle enough to preserve the precious flesh underneath. Perfection is a recipe of controlled violence. Next, the laserize. Every single tuber passes under optical sorters that scan for flaws we can't even see, ejecting anything imperfect with a sharp puff of air. The slicing is where magic becomes science. Blades so sharp and precise are calibrated to the millimeter, determining the final texture of every chip. Thicker for hearty crunch, thinner for delicate snap. But here's the problem. Fresh slices are covered in starch, which creates a sticky, gluey surface. The solution is a cascading rinse in water that looks more like a bubbling juk violently boils away, creating the delicate porous structure we know as crispiness. Too hot and they burn, too cool and they're greasy. But how do they achieve a consistent golden hue every single time? The answer is in a constant automated dance of heat sensors and oil flow. Out of the fryer, they're tossed in a rotating drum. This is the flavor zone. A fine mist of oil, followed by a blizzard of seasoning powder, whether it's simple salt or bold barbecue. The tumbling action must coat every millimeter. One missed spot and the palate is betrayed. But the journey isn't over. They must now cool completely on a slow, breezy conveyor. This critical step lets the structure set, locking in the crunch. Finally, the relentless guardians of quality. One last optical scan for any remaining defects, then into the scales and packages at a speed that's almost incomprehensible. Hundreds of bags a minute sealed for freshness. From earth to air, a journey of flawless execution. It's a stark contrast from the humble beginning, all to deliver that satisfying, noisy crunch in your living room. If you're fascinated by the hidden engineering in everyday things, show the algorithm you want more by hitting that like button. It genuinely helps the channel, Winds of Thought, keep exploring. Subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss our next dive into how the ordinary becomes extraordinary.